Very good morning, dear viewers. How are you? Thank God we are doing fine. Today I am going to present very special recipe which is famous world over. Today's recipe is shake, best shake, banana shake with dates and pure milk. Hopefully you will love this recipe because this is always very healthy and tasty. Dear viewers, this recipe is as always very healthy and tasty. A lot of health benefits in this. Always try at home. You will like a lot. Dear viewers, I have blended already all these ingredients: banana, dates and pure fresh milk, and our smoothie, you can say, or milkshake is ready to serve. I always try these healthy things. It's very healthy and tasty always. Today I shared this video with you. Try at home. Sure you will love it. Very beautiful taste, good look, very lovely look, and very pleasant taste. You guys will love it. Please watch our videos, like, comment, and try your best to share on this different medias and friends and families. Please always don't forget to subscribe our channels. Thanks a lot for your real kind cooperation. Appreciated always. Thank you very much. Love you all. Take care. Bye.